issue by saying that somebody owns the land. The person says he doesn't own the land. So I would ask the contractor to go ahead and then do whatever he has come to do, because the land now has been allocated to him. So while this was going on, there was information that a lot of consumers from other communities rallied at that point to support the gay community against the contractor and against the work that is going to be done on site. So this is the beginning of the tension, because the main regent insists that this land, once it's allocated to the contractor by the owner of that land, nobody has right to stop it. Therefore, that must continue. So it brought tensions because the people there insisted